Okay, quick video about this Proxxon rotary ratchet. People were asking when they saw this on a video. See, well, it's a ratchet like everyone else, like this. You can turn it around. But what makes this the ratchet that I really like and love is this one. You can rotate this either way around and it just keeps on spinning. Now I can change the direction, and the other one that I really like is this. There's a place for another ratchet, so you can use a little bit more force. But what I'm using is, I really love this tool. Yeah, that's how it works. I have all sizes: 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. There. Proxxon rotary ratchet. Check your local tool shop. I love this.